I can hear the neighbors, they're arguing again. And there hasn't been peace in our streets since you knew as well. I've been mean to listening, but the shouting is so loud. Turn off the radio and drown it out. And silently I say a little prayer, but for the grace of God, why I must have been born a lucky guy. Heaven only knows where I've been blessed with a gift of your love. And I look around and all I see is your happiness embracing me. Oh Lord, I'd be lost, but for the grace of God. I can see that old man, he's walking past our door. I've been told that he's rich, but he seems so poor. 'Cause no one comes to calling him, and his phone it never rings. He wanders through his empty home, surrounded by his face. And silently I say a little prayer is due, but for the grace of God, why I must have been born a lucky guy. Heaven only knows where I've been blessed with the gift of your love. I look around and all I see, it's your happiness embracing me. Oh Lord, I'd be lost, but for the grace of God.